Hey there, welcome back to our channel Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into Kroger Work. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged in no time. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so let's type in there. And let's type in Kroger Work login and hit enter. And now here, make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one right here. And you'll be logged into your login page. You'll be greeted with the login page. You might want to zoom in a little bit. Make sure you read all those agreement, security policy and stuff like that. You might want to zoom in a little bit more. And it's asking for your enterprise user ID. Let's type in our user ID. I'm using random words, but you make sure you type in your actual information. And at the second field, let's type in your password. And in order to if you want any help, if you forgotten a password or user ID or anything like that, you can tap in this option right at the side, and all you gotta do now is simply tap I agree and you'll be signing into your Kroger account. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics for more helpful videos like this. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.